Now you can all stand up. You can all stand up. Let us do with our regular warm-up exercise. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Just lose your body a little bit. Then just, you can lift your leg. You can lift your leg and touch. Try to touch to your chest part. Okay? Like this. Okay? Come on. Come on. Very good. Manogna is doing well. Jagannath, very good. Purvika, good. All are doing it very. Joshnika, yes, Pallavi. Oh, so nice to see you, children. Yes, bend. It's good. Enough. Now, on the spot, turn. Jingle bells you will do now. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Now, just, bend backwards. Bend backwards like this. Okay? Very nice. Very nice. Understood. Very nice. Good. Okay. Now, a last one. Sit. Stand. Sit. Yes. Very nice. Little bit fast. Very nice. Okay. Relax. Are you getting little sweat? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, then it is really good. Yes, then it is really good. Really good. Yes. Are you practicing this exercise daily?
Yes, ma'am.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Keep it up, children. Very nice. Okay. Now, next, in sitting position itself, wherever you are sitting, sit there. And we'll start doing our eyeball exercise, okay? Because nowadays, your screen timing is increased. Screen timing in the sense, you have been watching your mobiles or the television, correct? At home. So, we'll give some exercise to our eyes also, okay? Now, blink. You know that exercise, right? You can blink your eyes. Blink. I would like to see. Okay, I will give you guidance. You need to follow it. Yes, very nice. Chaitanya Krishna, yes, fast. Yes, you can blink. Very nice, very good. Until I say stop, you can continue. Okay, you can stop now. Now, rotate eyeballs. Rotate your eyeballs. Very nice, Manogna. Very nice. Okay, Chaitanya, very nice. Ritika is doing so cute. Super. Yes, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, done? Fine. Now, see to your corner of the right side. Corner, you can bring your eyeballs to corner of your right side. Yes, then turn towards left side. Yes, you are not supposed to change your head position. Keep it like that itself. Just only rotate your eyeballs. Okay, like this. Okay, very nice. Okay. If you are getting strained, then don't do it. Stop for a while and keep your hands on your eyeballs. Give little rest. Okay, give little rest. If you are finding you are getting strained, the eyes are getting strained, don't do too much. Then keep just your hands on your eyeballs and relax for seconds, and then you can open your eyes. Fine? Very nice. Okay, again you can blink your eyes. Relax. Blink your eyes, relax. Okay, by this time you already got little relaxation, correct? Now let us sit straight. Yes. And you can keep any mudras you want, or just simply you can sit straight and you can close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yes. Now I'm giving you some guidance, instructions. You need to follow it. Take a breath. Good hair. Just breathe in. Breathe in. Fill the stomach. Fill the stomach with good hair. Fresh air is going inside. Fill it. It should go down to your navel. Okay, that means your stomach should fill with good hair. Yes. Are you finding it? Are you finding it? Don't take too much. Don't do it too much. As much as possible. Slowly you can do it. Adopt that. Okay. Fill it and then slowly release. Yes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Are you finding it? Are you finding it, that effect? So the hair is going inside. Yes. Your stomach is filling with hair. You're finding it, right? Yes. And then slowly you can exhale. While doing this exercise, you can also concentrate on your thoughts, especially those who are elder children, for you people, not for the small children. Okay. You can even think about the thoughts. Or first time when you are doing, just concentrate on your breathing. Okay. Understood? Fine. You can do it for 5 minutes daily. This practice is good practice for you. So daily you can do it. Okay. But try to not to do after your lunch. Okay. Good. Now, please come back to the class now. Okay. Now I will tell you one more exercise, which is 8. You know how to write 8. Yeah. Okay. So you are going to write on space in the sense like this, just showing your hand. You need to concentrate your finger. You need to concentrate your finger. Your finger, tip of your finger is there. No, you need to concentrate. Okay. Write big 8, not small 8. Write big 8. Write big 8. Okay. Like this. You need to see that. You need to see your finger. Not butterflies. I said 8. 8. Yes, these are the good exercise for your eyeballs and for the concentration. Yeah, Shai Shrita is good. Manogna, don't see my camera. Okay, now you see your finger. Okay, tip of your finger. Write as fast as possible afterwards. Okay. First, start with slow writing, and then you can start little fast movement. Okay. Chaitanya, concentrate. Yes, Purvika, good. Samyak, good. Pallavi, good. Prince Sanjay, very nice, very nice. Okay, you can stop. Already too much. Yes, Joshnika, very nice, very nice. Okay. Now, the same thing you are going to write ulta 8, opposite side 8. You wrote like this, right? Now we are going to write opposite side. That also you can see. Just see. See your finger. See your finger while drawing, while writing. You can see your finger. Okay. See your finger. Understood? Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very good, Veronica. You are practicing in your left hand. Very nice. That also you can do. Once you can try show in your right hand, and then afterwards you can shift to left hand. Okay. Right. And it is really good exercise. Whatever you are doing in right hand side, that can also be transferred to your left hand. Okay. Now we'll do a little bit fast with the 2 hands. Okay. It is funny. It's really funny. You need not to see. Just do it. Just do it. Okay. How is it? Are you really doing it? Are you really doing it? Are you really doing it? Yes. Are you really doing it? Little fast, Shai Sharita. With both hands. Use your both hands. Both hands. Try to do it. Okay. After this class, you can practice at home and you can continue with your routine exercise. Okay. Try doing. Let me see. Oh, nice. Ritika is nicely doing. Okay, now ulta 8. Try to write ulta 8. Very nice. Claps for yourself. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you one clap. A beautiful clap. So it is called butterfly clap. Okay. You can hold your hand like this. And again one more. Okay. Now this is your butterfly clap. Okay. Okay. Ready. 1, 2, 3, start. Let me see how nicely you will do. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Yes, hold like this and do like this. Okay. It's butterfly clap. Now today I have taught you many other, added many other activities. So you are going to add in your exercise part. Okay. Are you happy? Are you happy? Then
Yes,
smile.
ma'am.
Smile. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Now, today I bought some, a topic that is called analogy. Analogy in the sense it is actually analogy test. I will show you some pictures. I will show you some, sentence questions with some MCQs. Okay, you are going to tell me what is the correct answer. But at the same time, I will be asking you with your name. I will call you with your name. Only those children need to answer. Okay, understood? Now, so let me share my screen. Okay, somebody asked, Joshnika, can I see my video now? Joshnika, unmute yourself, sorry.
No, teacher.
No. You can ask your parents, okay? You take help of your parents, huh? You might not have switched on your video icon. That there, like a mic icon will be there. No, same thing. You will be having a video icon. There you need to, tap. Okay. Now others, I will be sharing my screen. Okay. I will call your name. Only those children need to answer. Understood? This is because I came to know, because of last class, I came to know our smarties are really smart. They are going to tell, they are going to answer different types of questions also. Last week, you have answered with many, riddles, I think, right? You tried riddles, right? So I bought you some very beautiful questions, analogy type questions. I'm going to show you the screen. Okay, I will be calling. Okay, I will show you first, and then you're going to answer my question. Okay. Your Manogna is there, no? Yeah. Okay, Pallavi. This I will tell you the answer now for this question. For the next question, you are going to answer the question. Okay. See, this is a question. This is in the form of question. Okay, this first one.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Circle.
Circle. Okay. This circle in the next picture, it has been divided, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Half of the circles are there in this position. Okay. So the same thing. Yes, the same thing you are going to see the similarities of the same thing. Okay. Like a resemble should be there. The next question is this actually. Okay. This is in the rectangle form, right? So what could be the next question? What could be the next picture? So you can guess using these answers. MCQ answers are there, no? A, B, C, D. So looking at these 4 options, you can select one. Think what is the link between these 2, pictures. Okay. these two pictures. Look at these two pictures and think for this question. Okay? Fine? Shall I tell you the answer for the first question?
Ma'am, I think the answer will be B.
Answer is B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me ask you the one more participant of this group itself. Manogna,
Yes, ma'am.
do you think whatever Pallavi is telling is right?
Ma'am, I think it is D.
It's D. Okay, you have different answers then. Okay, let me tell you the answer. Yes, Pallavi is right. Pallavi is right. Okay, so same as, see the picture, dear. See the picture. So next position, what it actually turns, see here, the two arc circles are there, no? It has been, the whole thing has been divided here, right? It has been divided. So if you see this picture, this is the correct answer. Okay, so just I will show you some pictures. Need not to think too much, need not to think too much. Just observe the question, options, and you are going to tell the answers. That's it. Okay, let us not discuss the things. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, this is for Chaitanya. Next question, Chaitanya. Observe this picture. This is the question. Okay.
Yes,
This is the
ma'am.
question. So, what is the answer for this? Can you see? Others can please mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, it will be very good if you mute yourself and leave others to talk. Okay, Chaitanya,
ma'am.
Which is that?
C, ma'am.
Is it C?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. How can you say? How do you say that it is C? You need to talk to me, okay? If you don't talk, I can't able to understand, okay? You need to talk to me. So a little conversation with me today. Joshnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitanya, you tell me now. Today I bought some activity just for, you need to talk to me. I want to know. Chaitanya?
Ma'am, like a circular. Ma'am, like a circular square, ma'am.
Yeah, because circle after the next, in B, in the picture B, it has been divided, right? With 3 lines, correct? So same thing. So for this, square, so the next option is this one itself. You are right. Simple logic. One sentence you need to talk, with one sentence you need to tell me, okay? Because, you can identify the pictures. As you know, you people like pictures, so you are going to answer my questions. Okay, next is Joshnika. Joshnika, will you please sign in? Yes. Yes, Joshnika. See this picture and you are going to tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the option here? See here, a remark like this, it has come, right?
Teacher, I think. Ma'am, it's B.
No. Joshnika will tell. Oh, both the names are Joshnika.
Ma'am,
Okay,
one
pink shirt.
Joshika and another one Joshika.
Joshika, okay. I asked Joshnika actually. Pink shirt.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma. You can guess.
Teacher, Steven.
Very nice. That's it I wanted. Okay, just observe the pictures and you are going to tell me the answers. Okay, fine, Joshika. Very well. Okay, next. Joshika is going to answer my next question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay? Tell me.
Ma'am, next one is D, ma'am.
Next one is D.
D.
A, B, C, D.
D1, ma'am. D.
Very nice, Joshika. Very nice. Yes, it is busy. You can see the arrow mark like this, but at the same time, next picture will be opposite side of this. Okay. Yes, it is D. Very nice. So you can guess. Yes, what I expected was very nice. I mean, yeah. 1 minute. Yes. Now, next, Sai Shrita. This is for you, dear. This is for you. Yes. Can you see the big question?
Yes, auntie.
Yes. Which is the answer for this? Just
C.
blink.
C.
Is it C or D?
C.
C. According to you, it is C. Okay. Yes, but let us give. I will give you one clarification over here. See, all the 4 angles, angles have been attached. Okay, with these lines, correct? So even this also includes here. Let it be a 4 or 5 angles, but this also includes. In this case, you tell me now one more option I will give you, because all the angles have been utilized here, right? So in that case, you think and tell me.
Yeah, auntie. Yeah.
Is it yeah?
Yeah.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you're right. You're right. Yes, you're right, Sharita. Yes, next, let me give chance to, who is there? Okay, Veronica? Veronica?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is the answer here? Find out yourself.
Yeah.
Very nice. Will you explain me? Will you explain me, Veronica?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, here we have a square. In the middle we have a into. So in the circle in the middle we taken circle. So in square also we have to take a small square.
Very nice, very nice. So it is actually, you said A or C, dear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, correct. You are right. Okay, next is Samyak? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think it's completed. Okay, no problem. Now let me ask you with, with these types of questions. Okay, now you are going to start with this question. Milk this is also in a word type. Okay, now milk is curd and water. We have some options here. We have some options, that is river, ice, thirst and vapor. Think and answer. Milk, you will get curd, right, from milk. So water, from water.
I think ice, ma'am.
Very nice, very good. Okay, now Joy.
Yes, auntie.
Wait, I will come to you back. Okay, come back. Meha.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you came now. It's okay. Is it okay? Will you answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is analogy questions, type questions. Okay, your similarities will be there. Okay, A, B, and C. You need to compare with the given answers. Clear, dear? So your girl is beautiful, gold. You need to select one answer from your, valuable, ornament, bright, ring. So what is the answer according to you?
For your kind information.
Ring, ma'am.
Ring. See, girl is beautiful. Okay. Girl is beautiful. Gold is a metal. Okay?
Bright, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. So like that itself, you need to understand and just answer. Okay. Now next.
Ma'am?
Wait, who is that?
Ma'am, Joshika is raising her hand always.
Yeah, I came to know, but I think I have given one chance for her, right? For Joshnika. So I'm just going with the other students. Is it okay, Joshnika? Yes, Jagannath?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. I'm going to give you, each, I will be giving you a chance for each children, okay? Yes, Jagannath, will you read this question? I can't hear you, dear. You can remove your headphone.
Ma'am, hear me now, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Desert, sand, sea, water.
Very nice, very nice. So, tide, fish, crocodile, and all, it comes afterwards. Okay, sea is, sea means it's water. Very nice, very nice. Okay, next, Joshnika. I think she took a chance. Let me give Bhumika your chance. Did you get the chance?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's your chance now. Read the question and please answer the question.
Beautiful, ugly. Healthy, weak.
Very nice. Okay. Now, Purvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Cheese, from milk it comes, okay? Sugar. The answers are molasses, sugarcane, palm, and syrup. Sugar. From which item you are going to prepare for, sugar? From where it comes? Huh? Is option C. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay. Who is left out? Who is left out? Okay. Vritika. I will read for you, okay? Daughter, mother. Daughter, mother. Okay, now son. His options are mother, sister, father, brother. You try yourself. Don't worry.
Father.
Father, wow. Very nice. You also came to know the answers. That means our smarties are really smarties. Okay? Fine, thank you. And now anybody who is left out here? I can't able to identify. Anybody is there? Who did not get any chance? Samyak? Did you get the chance?
Auntie Saishita.
Oh, Sai Sharita. Okay, dear. Yes, it is your turn now. Book is paper. Okay? Understood? Book is made up of paper. Table is made up of? Is it school, student, wood, chair?
Auntie, it's chair.
Very nice, very nice. Wow. Very good. Okay, now. Yes. Now, Pallavi. Will you read this?
Player, team,
Ship?
ocean.
Very nice. Very nice. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Think and answer me. Player is a team, okay? Ship?
Ma'am, I know.
Yeah?
I think fleet, ma'am.
Fleet. What do you mean by that?
Player, team.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Yes, who is that?
Yoshika.
Yes, Joshnika, please go on.
Captain, ma'am.
Captain. Very nice, very nice. Correct answer. Okay, now. Next. Prince? Prince? Joy, did you get the chance? Okay.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Joy. Grass is green. Okay. Sky. Options are endless, stars, blue, bright. Joy.
Stars.
Blue. Yes, yes. Come on. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, fine. Okay, now it's for Vritika. Okay, I'll give you one more chance for Vritika. Yes, Monday means it is week. Okay, in a week it will come. No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. You will get weeks day. Now, January. Is it winter or a year or a month or a season?
Auntie,
Yes.
Auntie, my brother wants to tell.
Okay. Let me ask you with next question. Okay, I'm given this question is already given to Vritika. Yes, Vritika. Whatever it is, try to answer, ma.
Month.
Month. Very nice. Yes. January, February, March, April are month. Correct. Months. Very nice. Okay, now is it Sai Shrita's sibling is asking?
Auntie, my brother.
Yes. What is his name?
Shritan Sai.
Okay, Shrital.
Sai.
Okay. Shrital, now it is for you. Okay. Table, chair. Those that are pairs. Okay. Table and chair, you know, no? It is pairs. Okay. Same thing. Coat, you have 4 options. One is pajama, shirt, tie, pant. Coat, with what you will get? What is the pair for coat? You only think and answer, ma. Yes. Unmute and talk. Unmute and talk, na.
Ma'am, you are asking me.
Myself. Is it myself? No. Shrital. Yes.
Auntie, he's telling tie.
Tie. Think. Coat and tie. No.
Shirt.
Then?
Pant.
Yes, you are right now. Very good. So you need to come up with like this, okay? Don't worry about wrong answer or right answers, okay? You need to talk to me now onwards, okay? Shia? Pakka? Huh? Wow, super. Okay. Now, anybody left out?
Chaitanya Krishna, ma'am.
Chaitanya? Yes. Yes, dear. You take this chance, okay? Hand means elbow, okay? Leg.
Knee, ma'am.
Knee. Very nice. So you children are, yeah, correct now, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now anybody left out here? I want to give to those children.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Manogna, you want to say? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you
Why?
read? Will you read the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Coal, black,
Mm.
snow,
Mm.
white.
Yes, correct. So color of coal is black and color of snow is white. Coal, you know, no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Coal means it is in black color. It will.
It's a mineral, okay? Energy. We can produce energy from that mineral. Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this. Yeah. How was this? How was this activity?
Good, ma'am.
Really good?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wanted to talk to you because of these questions. You know, I will come to know whether if I can prepare quiz Will you able to answer my questions? I wanted to know. That's why I gave you some options, okay, analogical test and some other things, so that when I will be asking some quiz now next time, okay, not next time, coming sessions, I'll be asking with some questions. I'll bring with some questions for you, okay, for quiz. Fine. Okay. Now we'll do some little activity now. If I say with please, okay, please touch your nose means you need to touch. Okay. If I don't say please, you're not supposed to touch. You're not supposed to do any activity. If I say with please, you need to do that activity. Okay. Understood? Understood my point? Okay. Now, please touch your head. Vritika. All are doing it. Oh, very nice. Correct. Now, please touch your ears. Okay, nice. Please touch your elbow. Okay. Touch your eyes. Wow. Sai Sharita, Veronica, Vritika, and Joshnika, and even Samyak, Manogna, all are out.
Ma'am, I didn't touch my
You
eye.
did? Okay. Manogna is okay. We leave. Others, actually, you did. You did that. I told you, if I say please, then only you do, right? So for these children, we'll give some punishment. Is it okay? Huh? Okay. Don't
Ma'am,
think
is it me, ma'am?
Pardon?
Did you tell for me, ma'am?
Huh? You didn't do?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. But I came to know some 4 to 5 students did that. Okay, whoever touched your eyes, you please stand up and jump for 5 times. Jump yourself for 5 times. You by yourself take that option. So it is good exercise for you. Yes, 5 times you need to jump. Vritika, very nice. Joshnika, rice. Very nice. Yes, Samyak did, I think. So nice. It is really good, okay? Even let it be, whatever it is. But the exercise is going on, right, with you? It's nice. Okay, let me ask you some riddles also today. Will you tell me? Will you tell? Okay. Okay. What has to be broken before, you use it? Before using it, you will break it. What is that?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Yes. Is it Joshnika?
Joshika, ma'am. Nut.
Joshika, yes, Joshika. Tell me.
Ma'am, is it nut? Groundnut.
Groundnut? Yes,
Ma'am,
correct.
can I tell?
Yes, Manogna.
Walnut.
Walnut? Yes, correct. That is also right. Then? Anybody
Ma'am?
else?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I can tell.
Yes. Yes, Chaitanya.
Egg, ma'am, egg.
Very nice. Egg also right. Egg, nut, and then, huh?
Packet.
I didn't understand.
Packet.
Packet? Yes, correct. This is also right answer, na? Yes. Nowadays, everything will come in packets. So you need to break it. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Then, it has hands, but you don't clap. What has hands? Yes, Chaitanya.
I'm Joy, ma'am.
Yes, Joy. Answer is clock. Very nice. You are right. Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay. What is that? It has a tail and head, but no body.
Ma'am, coin.
Wait.
Ma'am, Jessica, coin.
Just yes, dear, you are right. Coin. Okay. Okay. I am red or in orange color. I wear a green hat and I sound like I sound like a parrot. What am I?
Auntie, can you please repeat again?
Okay. I am red or orange in color. I wear hat. I sound like a parrot. What am I? Think, children. Think. Yes, Veronica, you were supposed to say something? No? Okay. Understood the question?
Ma'am, is it up?
Yes. We trying? Sai Sharita, did you get the answer?
No, Auntie.
Okay, I'll repeat the question again. I am in red or orange. I wear a hat. I sound like a parrot. Who is speaking? Yes, Joy.
I'm Joy, ma'am.
Yes, Joy.
Carrot.
Very good.
Answer is carrot, ma'am.
Yes, you are right. It is carrot. Parrot. I sound like a parrot, right? The question was, I sound like a parrot. Make it carrot. Because the green hat, it wears green and body is orange or red color, right? Yes or no? Very nice. Okay. Claps. Butterfly claps. You can all claps. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Joy and Prince. Come on with butterfly, claps. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Okay. You are the winner now today. Okay. Now I will teach you one, sum. So not some, actually, I would like to teach you tables. You are ready with tables? You know tables? 2, 3, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Okay, for small kids. Yes, Chaitanya? Especially for small children, whoever your, Shrital is there and where is that? Purvika, she left. Okay, Prince is there, Vritika is there for them. Okay, Joshnika. For small children, I would like to teach you, I would like to make you one one trick so that you can all try at home, practice that. Okay. Let me share my board. Okay. You are going to write. You can, if you have books, you can please write down that. Okay, your how many 5 columns? Like this, we are going to write. Okay. You can draw this. You can draw this table in your paper. Draw this. Weekly once, any sum, any magic, any other trick we will learn through even math also, okay? Yes, Veronica, even you should also write. So that you will remember, you can teach to your sibling.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Joy and Prince, are you writing? Don't worry, children. Anyhow, we have activities has done already. So some, writing skill also will learn. Okay. Now we are going to write 2. 2. And here it is 4. I'll, make it. Now it is 2. Here it is 4. Even numbers, okay? Even numbers. I'll make it bold now afterwards. 8. Here it is 0. Okay? Understood now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in the top side. Top of the table, we are going to write even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay. And the same thing we are going to write here also. The same numbers. Okay. Okay, now? All are writing? All are writing? Okay. Now, what we will do, we will make it 10 digit now. Okay, these are single digit. Now we are going to make it 10 digit. In the top layer, top column, we are going to add 0 now. 0. Here also 0. Okay. I'll make it different color. Okay. So same thing here also. So you can also do that in a different 2 colors so that it is easy to identify. Okay. Now in this down bottom column, okay, what we will do? We will write 1. Here it is 0, but here it is 1. Okay. Same thing we are going to write here and here. Here also. Yes. Okay, but we'll write it 1 and 2 here. 1 and 2, last column, 1 and 2. Understood, no? Understood, no? See, first we wrote 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, even numbers, okay? And then afterwards, we added 0 in the first column, okay? We made it 2 digit, that means 10 digit, okay? And now here also, 1, we added 1. Okay, understood, right? So now, will you please tell me what is the, you are going to tell now. Meha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is this, dear?
Two ones are 2.
Yes. And then?
2 twos are 4.
Yes. So, what is the answer now?
6.
Yes. Then?
8, ma'am.
8. Yes. Then?
10.
Yeah. Then?
12, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Sai Shrita?
Yes, auntie.
Yes, you continue now. 2 sevens are?
2 sevens are 18. 14.
Oh.
14.
Okay, then?
8 are 18.
Very nice.
Sorry.
Then?
2 9s are 18. 2
Hmm.
10s are 20.
Yes, you are right. 2 10s are 20. How are we going to say 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are correct? You need to speak like that. Okay. So this is the answer. Just observe this. I'll minimize this so that you can see. Yes. Can you see now? Let me write 0 also here. Why? To make you understand. Okay. Now this color, what we did, 0, red, right? 0 is red, right? So let
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Okay. You observe now. Observe now, children. It is easy for you to understand, to bahat. Okay. Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it easy now to learn your tables?
Yes.
Yes, auntie. Yes,
Who
auntie.
got this clue now? Who got the clue now? Who learned it?
Ritika ma'am. Yes, Aishita.
Yes. Now you can teach your siblings, small siblings, who are there, no, at home. You can teach them. Okay. Can you see now? 2
Yes,
1s
ma'am.
are 2 1s are 2. See here. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 15. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. How easy it is, right? How easy it is, right, Joshnika? Okay, next time you are going to learn this. You Bahat, prepare yourself with this tables. Okay. See, understood? No, easy some.
Yes, teacher. 3 table also same teacher.
Pardon? Joshnika, I didn't understand.
Teacher, 3 table also we can learn like this, teacher.
Yes, yes. Next time I'll teach you 3 1s. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Very nice, very nice. So shall I stop sharing screen?
Okay, teacher.
All wrote?
I wrote teacher.
Yes,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you. Shall I stop the screen share?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today I made you to learn this table, especially for in my mind I was having the small kids, especially Srinath, I think Shrital, Sai Shrita. Will you please repeat your brother's name?
Shridan Sai.
Sridhar.
Shridan.
Shritan. Okay. Shritan. Is it Shritan or Shrital?
Shridan.
Okay, fine. Then Manogna also. Manogna, which standard you are studying?
Fifth, ma'am. Fifth is
Fifth,
over.
no.
I'm going to sixth.
No problem, no problem. Prince, and then Vritika and Chaitanya and Joshnika, whoever all, these tricks are there. No, you can learn and teach your friends also. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, no problem, no issues. But you can learn the trick. You can learn the trick and you can teach to your siblings. Okay? It is easy for them. Otherwise, they'll find a little difficult. Okay? You can teach them, make them identify the even number, odd number, and some tables and all. Different way you can teach them so that they will also learn. Okay? Okay? Okay. Now, anyone will tell me what and all we practiced today? Anyhow, it's time now. Time up.
Ma'am,
Yes, Joshika.
Ma'am, today we learned about we made some riddles and we solved some puzzles and we learned some tricks of math.
Okay, thank you. Now I'll be giving you one work, especially for Veronica and Meha is there. Meha, are you there? Okay. Veronica,
Yes, ma'am.
where do you put up, dear? Where are you? Your location, you need to tell me the name of the place. You talk to me, dear. Whatever you know, you talk to me. Okay, by that time, Samyak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which state and which place you are from?
I'm from Nallapadu, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, you are going to make a bring some photos in the sense from your using your laptop. I mean your internet. Collect some information about your Guntur place. Okay. Will you do that? Guntur is famous
Yes,
for. And where it is location. Especially higher children are going to do this activity. So you are going to collect some informations nearly about 10 sentences at least, or more than 10 also, no problem. You can talk to me more than 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Or you can make a presentation of your place, Gunturu place, okay? Your locations, what is famous for, and the speciality of that Gunturu, okay? Will you do that? Will you do that? You can
Yes,
write in your paper also, that's also okay. Or you make a, anyhow, nowadays you people are using mobiles, so take a, photos and collect some informations, okay? For any other further clarification, you can call me and you can take guidances from me, okay? Next week you are prepared with that. And Veronica, wherever you are from, which place you are from? Is it Nellore? Nellore, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are going to collect some information on your place, okay? Nellore, why it is famous, what are the things, so historical monuments are there, or any other things are there, everything. You are going to give the information to your friends, okay? Now, on this platform, you people are going to give the information about your locality, okay? Whatever you know, the good things, you collect the informations and you're going to practice, okay? I will be giving you, 2 to 3, you take even 5 minutes also, no problem. Next week, you people are going to, come up with these activities. You're going to tell about your place. Understood? Okay. At the same time, Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
you can prepare, but coming next Saturday, not next Saturday, after that, okay? I will give you chance, and for Pallavi, yes, even Pallavi also. Not next
Ma'am.
Saturday, dear.
Ma'am, but Samyak's and mine will be the same, ma'am.
Okay, but you, okay. Leave
We are
Bhumika.
brother and sisters, ma'am.
Oh, acha, okay, fine. Okay, you can help your brother.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
That will be okay. Fine, na? With these good activities? Is it okay? You're going to talk about your place. You're going to introduce your place. Geographically also, monumental, whatever important things are there, everything, make a prepare of a PPT and, a speech, and you're going to talk in front of your friends so that let them also know. Understood, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For children, small children, I will be coming with next beautiful activities. You can also do these activities, but in the next coming sessions. Is it okay, children? Is it okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Vritika is having a good smile and she is, happy with today's class, I think. Yes or no?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now, with
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
shall we wind up our class?
Yes, indeed.
Shall we wind up our class? We'll meet in next coming class, okay? Next Saturday. Is it? Okay. First, we'll do a butterfly clap. After that, we'll say boom, okay? Is it okay?
Actually, tomorrow is my birthday.
Whose birthday is this?
Hi, Shrita.
Oh, Sai Shrita. Advance happy birthday, dear.
Thank you, auntie.
Okay. With this, I've remembered something. Okay. Please give your details. Please give your details so that I have in my mind something, according to your age group. I would like to give some activities. So please give your, whatever sir asked, Rambabu sir asked, right? Some name and, age, grade, other things and all. So please fill it by today itself. Okay. I'm going to make this note. Clear? Understood? So I will collect all these information.
Ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, whoever not did this work, please do it, and it will be helpful for me. With this, come on, 1, 2, 3. Butterfly claps. Yes, butterfly claps. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay. Take care of yourself. Drink plenty of good water. Understood? And obey your parents. Will you do that?
Okay,
Obey
ma'am.
your parents. Don't make too much, disturb. Okay. We'll meet in next class. You can hold like this. Dear host, Veronica, be ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Boom.